for you. Wow, Father, it's so beautiful. Thank you, Father. Thank you. Brothers, look. This coat is so beautiful. Brothers, look at this beautiful colors. This is not fair. Father has not given us any gift. See, Father loves him more than us. Yes, Father loves him more than us. Come, let's go.
Brothers were jealous of Joseph. They were also annoyed and mad at him as he told them about the dreams he had often had.
It was a long day. I'm feeling sleepy.
As Joseph was sleeping, he saw a dream. He and his brothers were tying the stock of grains. Suddenly, he saw his brother's stock of grains bowing down before his stock.